Looking for a B.Tech program that prepares you for the real world? Let's talk about why this university could be the perfect fit for your engineering journey. When it comes to placements, this university has a solid record. Over 300 companies including big names like Amazon, L&T, ABB, IBM and Philips that recruited students in 2024. Some students landed offers as high as 52 lakh per annum. It's clear that companies are taking notice. Plus, several students secured packages about 10 lakh per annum, working in roles like software development, design engineering, and robotics. And yes, international placements are a thing here. There are 11 different specializations to choose from, including robotics, aerospace, information science, and automotive engineering. If you have got a specific area you want to dive into, you will find a program that matches.
Starting from this year, 25-26 onwards, the admissions are based on either JEE main entrance examination scores or Karnataka Common Entrance Test or Common Entrance Test score. This is for engineering and technology.
Fees varies between 3 to 6 lakh per annum as per the courses.
We do have a lot of scholarships that are available based on different criteria that we have come out with. Say either it is on a merit scholarship or it is a disability or say a single parent or on a regional thing or diaspora.
It has two campuses, Gnana Gangotri campus and the Ramaiah Technology campus. And both are designed with student needs in mind, offering smart classrooms, over 140 NABL accredited labs and a skills training center.
In Bangalore, there are only two supersonic wind tunnels. One is in IISc Bangalore and the other one is at Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences. Similarly, we have all of the equipments at each and every lab.
You will find spaces to study solo or work with the team, along with sports courts, a gym, and even a food street to keep you energized.
When it comes to food, the preferences are different for each student because they all come from different regions and areas of our country. And we do have a mess committee, which is again students are part of it, student council members are part of it.
There is a student activity center where there's a gym, there's TT, chess, there's many games available there, and there's a ground where you can play cricket, football.
Innovation is certainly the key, and the Techno Center for Engineering is where you find a lot of hands-on action that happens. It's a space for product development, industry consultancy, and R&D with over 600 completed projects. Whether it is biomedical systems, military-grade prototypes, or engineering design, there is plenty of opportunity to get involved in real-world tech.
We have many deep learning and machine learning related subjects which will help us in not just learning in university and writing in exams. We can also use them in real world examples or solve the real world problems.
Research is encouraged here, and the faculty includes experts from IITs and IIMs.
They are not just trying to make us get a degree but are trying to leave us into the society with better knowledge.
The university has centers of excellence in areas like robotics, aeronautics, and computational intelligence where you can dive into your research projects. And if you have got a business idea, the university offers support through its Business Incubation Center, providing everything from mentorship to funding to help you bring your ideas to life. The industry connections here are key, and this university has some solid ones. With partnerships with top companies and global institutions like MIT and Arizona State, students get exposure to real-world learning, research, and even exchange programs. These networks help bridge the gap between classroom learning and the workplace.
Here in the Gnana Gangotri campus, if you are looking at, we have close to 1,300 accommodation for the girls and more than 500-600 students, boy students can stay here in the Gnana Gangotri campus.
Campus life here is far from just textbooks. You can join clubs in everything, right from photography to martial arts.
There are a variety of clubs over here, dance club, music club, and I personally am a part of the coding club, Synergy, and I am also in the debate club. So almost anything that you're interested in, you would find a club for it here.
And the Akaira Fest is the highlight with performances, competitions, and all-round fun. There are also workshops like Udan, where you can develop skills in public speaking, self-defense, and more. So whether you are aiming for a solid placement, diving into research, or just looking for a well-rounded campus experience, this university has to offer a lot. Interested in learning more? Check out their official website and download the Shiksha app for more.